Let's do this.
Yeah, so this is the only way I get to spend time with Tanya.
What rubbish.
This is basically why I
Talking-
decided to do this event. It has nothing to do with. I'm just kidding.
So I think I've known Harsh since he was the lankiest boy I've ever known.
That day she came to my house and she said, yeah, "What have you been eating? Yeah, you don't eat carbs, now. You're one of those people that don't eat carbs."
No, because no, but like, listen, let's not get controversial. But like, we were doing fittings, and he took his t-shirt off, and I was like, "What? Like, what's going on?" I was like, "How did you get that ripped?" So, I mean, Harsh, please talk about your fitness and how important it is to you.
I think when it comes to fitness, I'm greatly inspired by my dad, who Isha is now working with. So I mean, I've never been on set with him. I'm about to, but his energy is just infectious, you know. And
Yeah.
he's looks at least 10, 15 years younger than he is, and it's a state of mind, you know. You can convince yourself to basically do anything, but it's just about doing the same things. Again and again, day in and day out. You know, a lot of people try extreme dieting and stuff, and you know, guys, it really doesn't work. You know, it's more about just kind of like eating the basic things and just like making sure you do some sort of exercise, you know, because our lifestyles are so sedentary. So what I would like to say to anybody that is listening to this or watching this is just, you know, just be active. I think that's pretty much it.
And Harsh, what do you have to say about like your gym looks?
So, you know,
And the selfies that you put up that we get to see
Dude, like,
all
I
the
have-
gym looks.
I have all my angles covered, man. Like, but no, so seriously, like I know a lot of, I have a lot of guy friends and stuff. You know, a lot of them don't really care about what they wear and what they look like. You know, to be very honest, I'm quite the opposite. You know, I take
Yes, we know. We know.
a keen interest in my clothes and shoes, and it's like borderline obsessive. But I think it's a representation of who you are.
Yeah.
You know, like how you feel on the day,
100%, yeah.
what your mood is, and you know, something that looks good on somebody else may not necessarily look good on me.
100%.
You know, so it's about
It's being like it's very personal.
completely, it's
Yeah.
super personal, and you know, it depends on so many things. And to a certain extent, we are kind of blessed in Bombay, where you know it's nice and warm throughout the year. You know, so
Yeah.
you can really, you know,
Explore.
wear like streetwear and stuff. So yeah, like this new collection is really cool. This T-shirt, these jeans, these shoes, they're super comfortable. So it's all about comfort, really.
Yeah. So what do you have to say about like Reebok shoes and like have you worn Reebok shoes and tried them and what do you have to say about it?
I
Like-
was, like I posted a picture yesterday. I was in the gym and somebody I knew was actually wearing a really cool pair of Reebok Classics.
Yeah.
You know, so
Of
what
course, the classic collection.
the classic.
Yeah.
What I would like to see is a lot of that actually come back in.
Yeah.
You know,
of
because a lot
course.
of us grew up on like Reebok and stuff.
Yeah,
you
of
know,
course.
and-
All of
and-
us did. We're 90s babies.
Yeah, you know, and
Yeah.
now with all these other brands, you know, who are so consciously trying to get into streetwear,
Yeah.
you know, we'd like to see more of the same from Reebok, and
Yeah.
obviously it's so well priced.
Yeah.
You know, most people can
Of
afford
course, it's
it.
super affordable.
It's super affordable,
Yeah.
more than a lot of the other brands that are not affordable to everybody.
Yeah.
You know,
Of
it's
course.
very comfortable, it's easily available, but the more options we get, the more we'll buy. You know,
Correct.
so we want more to choose from.
So Reebok, come on.
Stock up, man.
Stock up, man. So Isha, what about you? What is fitness to you?
You know, I've always been, I was actually national level volleyball player in
We
India.
can see.
So for me, it's honestly like fitness is something for me. It's about, you know, I really believe, Tanya, that you need to be healthy, guys. And I'm telling all of you because I have my own mother, which is the worst example when she fell sick. But then that woman really got into fitness, eating healthy and working out, even if it's just yoga or just a walk for 30 minutes a day. It really just changes your whole body. The more air you breathe, your skin is going to be good, your metabolism increases, you know, you're always around, you know, you're with the nature.
Yeah.
And I think exercise, I like to actually just take this from where Harsh left. I'm going to take example of Anil sir. I mean, I think he's literally the youngest actor on that set that I did. Because
Going to love the fact that somehow he's arrived here.
he's arrived. but
He's
it-
arrived here.
No, but it's true, you
He's
know.
not here, but he's arrived.
But it's true because I remember there was this one day, it's 9 a.m. and we are all on set and Anil sir just comes and he's like, अरे यार आज मेरा क्रॉस ट्रेनर मैंने क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग मैंने आज बस 20 मिनट किया looked at him and I was like sir I've not done even 5 minutes and that is guys that is what it takes. That's why you know people say oh I'm just gonna take his example and celebrity oh time hota ye wo. No, we all also work for hours and hours and it's not only because we're in this industry. I think a man of his stature doesn't even need to do so much workout, but he does only because he stays fit and he has more energy than anyone else, and that's what teaches you. Because, you know, for me as well, like right now I'm recovering from an injury. But for me, the energy level did not go down. Because even if it's just my breathing exercises, it just stays in me, it's imbibed in me. I think this is, that's what fitness is about.
And what about your, like, the infamous, like, hot gym looks that you walk out from your gym, which has become like a thing now. Like, the paps are covering the gym looks more than the red carpet looks, I feel.
But
So what do you have to say about that?
But that you know that you were really happy when it was at leisure wear and I had to get ready in that.
Yeah.
Because Tanya knows I like being stylish. Why not? I don't know who doesn't like being stylish. But I even love, I've always said, and you guys know, I've always said, wear what you're comfortable in, wear what your body and you feel happy, and not what is, like he said, not what's in the trend, not what's fashionable. But I think Reebok just adds to it because it's giving you different colors, different fabrics, it's comfortable, it's easy, affordable. And it just, for me, honestly, for me, fitness and fashion, if it mix, I don't think it can get any better because I look sexy and I want to wear sexy clothes. So I think that's why for me, Reebok stands, plus Reebok Classics. Yeah, man, like I remember running all my life in Reebok Classics, and honestly now, the more simpler you go, the more cooler you've become because it's the attitude you carry, and I mean, Reebok gets that attitude for you.
Okay, guys. So should we get Abbas on the stage
To expose us.
to
now.
expose really how fit Isha and Harsha now?
Harsh, he's gonna do a whole exercise set right now, guys. It's
Yeah,
gonna be a
yeah.
routine.
Too
He'll
much.
work out for me as well.
I said too much, I think, when we were sitting on the table to impress her. Now I'm going to suffer. Oh, yeah.
Guys, if I don't have an injury, so Harsh has decided he's gonna work out for both of us.
So just before we start, I would like to introduce Abbas. He's been with Reebok for, I don't know, the longest time. He's one of our most precious Reebok master trainers, owner of Bodyholics that you all know. And he's a very, very famous celebrity trainer. So thank you for taking our time and coming here today. We have an interaction plan, which we'll do, I think, a little later. But first, let's do this. I'm very excited to see this.
Thank you so much. So,
I'm going, guys. Bye.
so basically we're going to do 4 to 5 exercises to show you guys how comfortable the gear is to train in. Harsh is going to, basically I had planned a push-up, but Harsh requested for a clap push-up, which is a plyometric, more difficult than a regular push-ups, okay? So, on the platform. And followed by air squat, I think it's okay. Yeah. Yes, back to back, yeah. So basically warm up ho raha hai, that's why he's doing a regular push up. Now that's a clap push up. Nice. So what we'll do is hip goes below the knee, come up, back. Come up. Nice. 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 Squat foot. Up and there, one more. That's it. Super. One thing I know. Now this exercise basically is for the core.
Yeah, this is also you burn like a tremendous amount of calories.
So especially this exercise where the first important thing is form, second is speed, then you add power. So अगर आपको ये नहीं आता है, if you want to do this, आप इसका form देखिए. Just focus on how it's supposed to be done rather than increasing the intensity.
So you want to just demonstrate this?
Yeah. So you go in a push-up position like a straight plank. नीचे नहीं जाएगा, ऊपर नहीं आएगा. Now from here, the idea is to get the knee to the elbow. Right?
The idea is to keep the core engaged.
Yes. So the feet off the ground, fall. Hip goes slightly. And go. 6, 8, 5. Try not to have the toe on the ground. Keep it in the air. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. Super. Now, let's do a plank. And we'll end with the plank. Okay?
So this is basically a core dominant situation.
बोलते ना अगर आपको पीठ का दर्द है तो दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज टू स्ट्रेंथन योर बोन। ओके, ये जो एक्सरसाइज है इसको बोलते हैं मिलिट्री
भाई आगे बताओ यार।
नो दिस इज अ रेगुलर प्लान। ओके, actually the military plank is basically so ये आपका मिलिट्री प्लैंक हो गया एंड रेगुलर प्लैंक इज व्हेन यू फोल्ड just stay there for like 30 seconds. So plank is not about just being a plank. So you hold your glute muscle, you hold your core muscle and breathe. That's it. As long as you can. Head up. So your neck, spine, hip, leg is in one straight line. Breathe, 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 breathe. 15. Nice, nice and strong. So if you're a first time or beginner on this, you'll feel your entire upper body vibrating. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, out. We all have seen the Wally Bandra ceiling, right? So think this is Bandra, this is Wally, and this is the bridge. And the cables running on the bridge is basically a boat. What holds the load on the bridge is your cable on the concrete. So if the entire body is not concrete, the cables are basically a boat. So let's do 2 more rounds, I guess. Great. Thank you so much, Harsh. I've known him through Insta. I've met him for the first time. I see him eating correct. He travels a lot. I always see meal pictures, gym pictures. So great, keep it up.
Because I only post the good stuff. That's not kidding. I'm just kidding, but yeah.
Great, great. Okay, so I'll call Isha. Let's
Harsh has already worked out. I'm going to show you 10 seconds.
yes, let's show the boys how it's done. So आपने देखा no feet on the ground. So you don't need to put your hand up, just all the way up. See, nice, nice. इस exercise को sit up कहते हैं. This is sit up helps you strengthen your entire core. You exhale on the way up, you inhale on the way down. Breathe out, keep your core tight. Through up. Yes.
पीछे पीछे पीछे
That way you can breathe.
मैडम पीछे
5.
मैडम पीछे
Up, 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 up. 4. Breathe out. Nice and strong. Up. 3 more. Strong. Up. 2 more reps. Nice, neat and strong. One last rep. That's it. Good. So looks easy. अगर आप पहली टाइम कर रहे हो, you can't lift your body weight up because it's your core responsibility to lift your body weight up. आपने नहीं किया है, so you can tell someone to put their feet on your feet just for assistance. Just like that. So very simple, lightly keep it on the side of the feet, not on the toe side, and she can just come up. And if I want to increase the intensity, come tap my hand on the right, left.
Boss, both हो गया.
So this way I can do 20 reps, 10 reps, 30 reps, 50 reps, and so much. Okay? Plank. Okay? So let's do a side plank rather than a regular plank. Other side? Okay, a regular plank. No problem. So again, a regular plank.
You want to try this or you want to try this?
Shoulder tap. I think that will look much better. Okay, so now again, this is something called a shoulder tap. Throughout this exercise, your core is engaged. Again, the form is neck, spine, legs in one line. Hold your glutes, hold your core tight. Keep tapping your shoulder. Now what's happening? I'm also strengthening my shoulder. Now you don't need a gym for this. It's as simple as that. You don't need a gym. 20 minutes of this, 5-6 exercises, repeat it 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, as your fitness allows. 5, 4, 3, 2, and out. Super. So, fitness is basically something. Okay? Okay, facing this side, remember the form. Stance will be slightly wider than the hip level because this is one question. How the stand should be in squats? What should be the range of motion in the squat? Am I supposed to do half squats? Am I supposed to do all the way down? So let's start with the stand. The left stand is, this is my hip stand. Slightly wider the hip, toes flayed out. Your entire body weight will be on the heel. Now, when I squat, how low am I supposed to go is the question. Your hip needs to travel slightly lower than the knee level. I don't need to go down this way. I am not supposed to do a half squat. Now, one more thing, if I'm keeping my toes out, see to it, your knee travels in the line of the toes, not this way. This way. This way. So my full squat is, my hip goes lower than the knee. Your heel is not supposed to come off the ground anytime. This is happening. This is not happening, okay? Let's do it. Yeah, toes out. Face up. Toes out. See how it goes on the first 3 legs. Breathe in. It goes lower, come up, squeeze the glutes. That's it. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Nice. 7, 6, strong. 5, good for 4. Squeeze the glute. 3 more. Up 2 more, finish it. Last one, last one, last one. That's it. Simple. If you want to
वीडियो के लिए करोगे वीडियो के लिए एक्सप्लेन करो ईशा ईशा हर्षवर्धन
चला चला
थैंक यू
जेवून जावा हर्षवर्धन look here center
थैंक यू
You still managed quite a bit. I don't know what all you do. when
Because
you're
he
not in
excited me. I was just like, oh my god, he's doing a whole routine set. What will I do? So I'm telling him, I was like, thoda aur kare, thoda aur kare.
No, his routine was quite
I
killer.
know, you saw, na? He was sweating. I was sweating just looking at him. I'm like, oh, I was like,
Saw expressions like
you saw, na? I was just like, oh my god, what all he's doing.
The clap, we started with
No,
clap
no, but
push-ups.
dude, like really, it's
started.
yeah, it's really good. Like you can show the strength. It's really good. Like great strength.
Thank you for being our
Thank
muses
you.
today.
Thank you.
And thank you to Tanya. She's that side.
Tanya, thank you. We are calling you here.
The floor is now open for questions. So, of course, media has a lot of questions for you. I will move out of the way so that.
Tanya,
Great, you know, it's an amazing brand. It's one of the better brands, and you know, I haven't associated myself with too many, but I'm looking to associate myself with the best, and I think Reebok definitely falls under that category. So awesome to be here with her, meeting her for the first time, and with Tanya. So yeah, all good.
बहुत अच्छा इवेंट रहा. I think you know Reebok as a brand, and I think ऐसे अगर हम events खासकर करते रहे तो हम at least हिंदुस्तान को fitness के तरफ आगे लेके जाएंगे. Because I think that's the necessity. A healthy country, healthy people is what you know lead to a better nation. So I guess it's a great initiative, and event बहुत अच्छा रहा. Meeting Harsh, seeing his fitness, I think घर जाके आज मैं थोड़ा और workout करूँगी. And thank you Tanya, who I think if I have stylists like that, I'll always try and stay fit because they make sure that you're stiff fit. So yeah, it's been great. Yeah, I've been into sports since I was in school. I was actually under 16 volleyball national team. So it's something that's always been naturally coming to me.
Yeah, I think the one thing, you know, that Bombay is a great city, but I think the one thing that it lacks is, I think it needs more place and like parks and stuff for like kids to play. You know, like schools and stuff, they don't have too many like, schools and stuff don't have too many open spaces, and you know, everybody says compound mein khelo, but I think that's a very big part of growing up. You know, it leads to friendship, it leads to male bonding, and for me till today, one of the best things to do is, you know, not doing anything fancy, just going with your friends and playing cricket or football, because you sweat, you feel good, and it brings everybody closer. So I've always been into sports, and then obviously being actors, we have to lose weight or gain weight or like transform for our roles. So that keeps us busy.
कलेक्शन की बात करें तो अगर कुछ लेके जाना हो तो क्या लेके जाएंगे घर पे?
हाँ, मेरा स्मॉल साइज़ में और शू साइज़ ताने के पास से आई थिंक ऑलरेडी पैक हो गया है. खासकर ये जो कलेक्शन है इसमें मुझे काफ़ी येलो दिखा, येलो शूज़, येलो टी शर्ट. तो आई थिंक वो ऑलरेडी मेरी कार में चला गया है बिकॉज येलो इज़ ऑलवेज बीन माई फेवरेट कलर एंड यहाँ पे किसी ने पहला येलो. बट आई थिंक आई थिंक इट्स गुड कि कंफर्टेबल भी है और फैशनेबल भी है. तो एटलीस्ट डे टू डे में आप पहन सकते हैं. आप एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं, हम लोग शूट पे जाते हैं, आप लोग काम पे जा रहे हैं, यू कैन जस्ट वेयर इट. खासकर बारिश में आई थिंक स्पोर्ट्स शूज आर मच मोर कंफर्टेबल एज वेल.
What's the question?
क्या लेके जाना चाहेंगे कि जाना?
I'm a big fan of shoes, so if anybody sees me, I'm like talking about shoes all day long. So yeah, they have some really cool sneakers. So I would say the sneakers.
So we are talking about fitness और हमने सुना है कि बिंद्रा के नाम वेट गेन भी कर रहे हैं, वेट बढ़ रहे हैं.
नहीं, so the Bindra film basically tracks his journey from him being a 15-year-old to 35. So basically I'm playing him through 2 decades. So there'll be reverse aging. तो उसके लिए VFX होगा, weight loss होगा, फिर बाद में के लिए prosthetics होंगे, weight gain होगा. So it's going to be like my other films where it takes a long time, and but eventually I can't promise you whether it will be good or bad. But like my other films, it will be something very different again, and we're trying to stay very authentic to who the man is. And what Bhavesh Joshi did with the superhero genre is we gave you a film that is very, very different from other vigilante superhero films that you've seen in India. The biopic will do the same for biopics.
कितना रिसर्च करना पड़ा क्योंकि बायोपिक है, काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट टास्क होता है माना जाता है.
हाँ, अब 15 सितंबर से मेरा प्रेप एक्चुअली शुरू होगा और फिर जनवरी में शूट होगा. तो बेसिकली अभिनव won gold for the 10-meter air rifle. So we've set up a shooting range. So I will be shooting for about 5 months every day with the rifle. I will be doing look tests, I will be doing readings, I will be spending a lot of time with Abhinav and his father. My father will be spending a lot of time with them as well because he plays my father in the film. So like Mirza Sahib or Bhavesh Joshi, it's another journey. And I like doing movies like these. These are all passion projects, so it leads to tremendous growth as an actor. And I believe in longevity in film. I don't believe in, I don't think you're going to remember 10 years from now what the first 3-day collections of a film are, So cinema has to live on and art has to live on, and I think Bindra will be the same. Oh God, no questions.
Okay, thank you so much. We are done.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. No, thank you so much. We are done. Okay, last question.
Yeah.
Dad, how impressed is he with your fitness? He's also very into fitness. So how?
He's very competitive. So he thinks he's the fittest man on earth. So yeah, so we're inspiring each other. I think that's the best way to put it.
इसके अलावा कल हमारे बीच फॉर्मर PM नहीं थे.
Sorry?
फॉर्मर PM नहीं रहे. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी.
Yeah, I mean obviously he's a great leader and very sad to lose people of such inspiration. So.
Okay, thank you.
About what? What are you asking me? Everyone knows he was my cousin Nana, so it's been really sad for the family. And my parents, my whole family has been there since last night, उनकी prayer meet में. But I think ये मेरा लक था कि पूरी ज़िंदगी मैंने उनके आसपास गुजारी. मैं नाना और वो actually कानपुर यूनिवर्सिटी में they did law together, so that's why I think I did law. It was great. I mean, I don't think हमारे हिंदुस्तान में अभी तक कोई ऐसे politician या minister हुए हैं कि पूरा देश, पूरी आवाम किसी के कोई भी उनके खिलाफ नहीं एक शब्द बोलेगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने 3 बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने, पूरे हिंदुस्तान को एक साथ लाए. जैसे उन्होंने कारगिल के टाइम पे हिंदुस्तान को संभाला और जोड़े रखा, और अपनी पोएम से उन्होंने सबका दिल जीता. बहुत अच्छे लिखते थे वो. तो एटलीस्ट वो अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी जी उन्होंने. ही वॉज 93 एंड बहुत कुछ दिया उन्होंने हिंदुस्तान को.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.